Welcome to the town of Clifton, one of the most historic locations in all of Fairfax County. We are here to help you celebrate Fairfax County's 275th anniversary, and we are so delighted to share the history of this precious little town with you. About 12,000 years ago, this was Native American territory, and then with the presence of Lord Fairfax VI, the land was all divided. Clifton ended up being sold to a man named William E. Beckwith, who ended up with 1,200 acres, which is basically part of the present-day Clifton area. He had 16 slaves, and the husband-wife team of William and Harriet Harris worked for him, and they took care of this land as a plantation. Upon his death, they were freed. And this was his home. Where we're sitting right now was William Beckwith's home. Clifton was instrumental in the development of Fairfax County in so many different ways. Probably the most important way was because of the railroad. The Orange and Alexandria Railroad came through here. It was stop number 6. The lumbering industry was enormous in this town. A number of men got together and formed a company and provided lumber for this entire area. And so lumbering was a very important part of the commerce of Fairfax County and certainly of Clifton. The town really came into being at the beginning of the 20th century and was one of the most affluent locations in Fairfax County, with a school with many churches. That's why Chapel Road has its name. There were 4 different churches at the turn of the century in this town. And the population grew to be about 220 people, which it is still today. So the town is very reflective of that place and time. It now today is a destination if you're looking for a coffee or cupcakes or ice cream or even a cannoli, crepes. Those are all wonderful foods items that you can find here at our town's eateries. It's a very vibrant location, has a lot of fun every year with the Clifton Day that many people are familiar with in October. So many other wonderful events happen here in the town of Clifton. It is a wonderful place to go and spend a few hours or even a whole day. If you would like to learn more about the town of Clifton, please go to our website, which is clifton-va.com.